Hi everyone, it's Kim from Kimfetti Time, and it's gardening season, and I've wanted a bird bath to put in my garden, but they're so expensive in the gift shops. So I went shopping at thrift stores, and this is what I found, and I'm going to show you how to make a bird bath. I found this glass shallow platter that I'm going to alcohol ink the bottom to make it pretty, and then use resin to finish it off so that it's waterproof and sealed so it doesn't damage the ink. And I found this massive jug. It is so heavy, and this is going to be the base of the bird bath. I'll show you how it will look. It's perfect. It's going to be absolutely beautiful in the garden. And as many of you know, on my walk, I collect pretty rocks and sea glass and driftwood. So I have a whole container here of those things. You don't have to put them in, but I'm going to fill the jug with this and make a display so it's decorative. So today's project, I need rubbing alcohol, I need paintbrushes, and some cotton swabs to clean all the glass surfaces. This is the type of glue that I use, that I'll be using to seal this up and to hold the bird bath in place. And of course, alcohol inks. So let's get started. Now I've got the alcohol and the pads. And what I'm going to do is clean the glass surfaces really good. So when I glue the surfaces together, they're gonna really stick. I already washed them with soap and water, so I'm gonna place that over there. And I'm going to do the back side of the platter so that the alcohol ink really sticks to it. Oh, I can't wait to see all the beautiful colors that are going to make this platter a bird bath. All right, let's get started. I put down some protective plastic. It's actually liner for the fridge that I got at the dollar store because the alcohol ink stains any surface and it stains your hands. So I've got the gloves on and I'm using alcohol to blend the colors. I've got my paint brushes. Now let's see how beautiful these inks are going to turn this platter into. I am a favorite of rainbows. I can't pick a favorite color, so I say my favorite color is rainbows. So that's what we're going to go for. We're going to go for lots of colors. So let's start off. Let's see this. This is red, Candom red. Let's see. I'm going to dip a wide brush in because I just don't want it to make a circle. I want it to spread and fall out like that. As you can see, let's see. I love heat in the garden, like oranges and yellows. So let's see what we can put in here. Green, always a favorite in the garden. These are a little tricky to open. They're child-proof. That one's not going to open for me, so let's go for another one here. Oh, this is birch yellow, sienna yellow. Let's go. I'm going to change my paintbrush, and we're going to spread it down here. Let it just blend all in. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of made it into a orange color. where it's blending over. I just love how it pools together. I really want the colors to be vibrant. So let's mix them up and see what they do. I think blue would be pretty in this. And a green, if I can find a green here that I can open. Here we go. This is one of my favorite colors. It's called Stream. There we go. So let's change brushes again. Dip it in the alcohol. Oh, wow. That's nice. It's like a teal green. Can you see that? Let me show you. It drips down. It does its magic. Sew that up. Just tip it a little bit. There. Look at that. Spreading out. There's ridges in the glass, so it's perfect for getting a rainbow. Look at that. Look at it do its work. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to get blue in this. Just love it. Great. Let's find some blue. Here we go. This is Glacier Blue. Let's dip the brush into the rubbing alcohol. I have some paper towel. Get the color out. And here we go. I want some blue right here. Oh yes. I'll spin it again so that it's covering everything.